Hello everyone, we're standing here today at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg, organized by Global Events. My name is Johann Wiebe from Hydrogen Standard, and we're standing here at the booth from Precision Micro, and with me here is Markus Rettig from Precision Micro. Welcome, Markus.
Thank you for having me.
Should actually be the other way around, welcome us, because we're visiting your booth, but we'll take that as it is. Fantastic. Tell us a little bit about Precision Micro, and what it is your role in the business.
We do professionally photochemical etching, which means we're producing metal components, very precise, in low volumes, and mass production, which means several millions a year. This can be a little filter element, and of course some printed circuit heat exchanger plates or bipolar plates for SRF CEMs. So we have no own product. We're living off the specification from our customer, built to print, and we are very stable in the market in the moment.
Excellent. So, I mean, the hydrogen market is emerging. It's making a significant progress, significant strides in different areas, different sort of electrolyzer technologies. Do you offer sort of like your solutions in all those different equipments, or maybe you can allude a little bit to the sort of the benefits of the equipment that you provide to the various customers?
Yes, for R&D purposes, it's always very important to get a physical part. So the theory is the one side, the practice the other one. So they are aiming to get parts very quick in a very short lead time, and we are happy to serve that. So normally, if the material is available, we have 2 weeks to a maximum of 4 weeks to get parts out. In the moment, the customer is saying higher volume is in need. We can easily scale it up with the same way of production. So we make no difference between prototyping, between samples and series production. Everything's on the same etching line, and we have the same quality aspects.
What about sort of the versatility of the products that you offer? Can it be utilized in the different electrolyzer technologies, alkaline, PAM, SOEC, etc.?
Yeah, we are very flexible on that, and we're joining just the specification from our customers. We have not really an impact on that, but we do our best to fulfill 100% of the needs.
Excellent. So you alluded to a little bit already in terms of lead times. They're very important. Maybe you can address that, and at the same time also address the cost aspect, please.
Yeah, from the cost side, it's a very easy thing because we're simply getting the CAD model from the customer. We're producing a very tiny photo tool, which is a cost several 100 euros only, so it's less than 1,000 euro. And this is print in-house, so we have the hands on it and the control. And with this little invest, we produce the parts. And this is possible finally with having a few 100 euros, and you get the parts physically. That's perfect for the R&D departments.
Tell us a little bit about the production process. You talk about printing, so supposedly this is 3D printing using various materials. That's also why you can customize it probably as well as you can. Allude a little bit to that, please.
We're working from sheet metal. Means that we're having a sheet metal delivered to our conditions, so we need a very nice surface. It has to be very perfect. We apply a photosensitive film on top and bottom, where we do the negative from the component by ultraviolet light. We print it on this film, and finally we release the printed sections, that the metal coming out again, and we cover the part with the photosensitive film, and the etchant, the chemistry can work on these areas, and we release the metal to produce the part. So it's all in one go, it's all in one line finally. And it's very reproducible. That's very nice.
Forgive my ignorance, but could you maybe address specifically what it is that your sort of product solution offers? Sort of what are the benefits? What does it sort of try to solve in the sort of hydrogen applications?
So we have no abrasive production. This means there is no energy getting into components. So this means the flatness is pretty good. It's finally one-to-one. According to the raw material, and this means that the physical properties of the raw material is not changed by the process. So this is of course a very good benefit if you think about diffusion bonding. It's very homogeneous and it's easy to use.
Excellent. You guys obviously don't come out of the blue. You've been around for a while. You have a track record. Can you tell us a little bit about the track record?
Yeah, we're working with the global market leaders. We're very happy and very proud of it. So we are serving market leaders all over the world. So we are based with our production in the UK. We are working with everybody all over the world, and there is no blocking point at all. And this is very good if you see our main customers with delivery destinations in Asia, in Europe, and the United States, and Mexico maybe. So this is really fantastic for our suppliers, for our customers, that we are very, very flexible on that. And we have a nice penetration of our customers in the moment, so we can go even deeper and find other sections where we can deliver some metal components.
And other sections, what would you mean by that?
It's automotive, it's medical, it's fashion also, so we delivered some parts for fashion industry. It's very interesting. There is no limit, absolutely not.
There is no limit. We couldn't end it on a better way. Precision Micro, Markus Rettig, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.